And here is the unboxing video of the LA400DCS, which is the secondary arm for the LA400 package. So the only difference between a primary arm and a secondary arm is the extra accessories packaged into the arm. So this is what makes the DCS. So when you open the box, you're gonna get this extra cable, which will allow you to connect the secondary arm all the way under the gate to the control box next to the primary arm. So the main thing to remember is in the DCS box, you're gonna have this extra cable and you're gonna have a junction box that will allow you to connect the first part of the cable to the secondary part of the cable. Then you're gonna have this box that contains the brackets and contains the release keys and some other hardware for the installation of the arm. You're gonna have a little installation guide. You're gonna have the other part of the bracket for the post mount. Some additional hardware and some nuts to help you with the junction box and the secondary part of the arm, and then the arm itself. So as you can see, it's really nice, very well packed, and that's what you get in the box of the LA400DCS, S standing for secondary.